Welcome, insightful founders and strategic communicators. Today, we delve into the art and science of investor psychology, crafting a pitch deck that resonates. Understanding the psychological underpinnings that drive investor decisions can transform your pitch deck from a mere presentation to a compelling narrative that captures attention and funding. Let's explore how to align your pitch deck with the psychological triggers of potential investors, ensuring your vision not only is seen, but deeply felt and acted upon. First, let's talk about leveraging the fear of missing out, FOMO. Highlight the uniqueness and timeliness of your startup opportunity. Emphasize the growth and momentum behind your venture to make the investment opportunity feel urgent and not to be missed. This taps directly into investors' fear of missing out on the next big thing. Incorporate social proof strategically. Showcasing endorsements, partnerships, or notable investments in your startup can significantly influence investor sentiment. This not only validates your venture, but also taps into the herd mentality, suggesting that investing in your startup is a choice validated by others' trust and confidence. Clearly articulate the problem you're solving. Demonstrating a strong problem-solution fit addresses investors' desire to invest in solutions that meet a clear, pressing market need. Make sure they understand not just the problem, but why your solution is uniquely positioned to solve it effectively. Discuss scalability. Investors are inherently attracted to businesses that show potential for exponential growth. Illustrate how your business model is designed for scalability and how you plan to capture and expand your market share. This speaks directly to their aspiration for significant returns. Address risks head-on. Acknowledging potential risks and outlining your strategies for mitigation can significantly bolster investor confidence. It shows you're not just optimistic but also pragmatic and prepared, easing their innate fear of loss. Foster an emotional connection. Beyond the data and the projections, share your passion, your why, and the journey that's led you here. Stories resonate on a deeply human level, making your pitch memorable and engaging beyond mere numbers. End with a clear call to action. Make it easy and compelling for investors to take the next step with you. A clear, compelling CTA reduces friction in the decision-making process, encouraging immediate engagement. Crafting your pitch deck with these psychological insights in mind doesn't just showcase your startup. It strategically aligns with the motivations and fears of your potential investors, significantly increasing the likelihood of a successful fundraising. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How have you applied principles of investor psychology in your pitches? What impact has it had on your fundraising efforts? Share your experiences and let's continue to learn and grow together in this journey of entrepreneurship.